ArcGIS Online Experience Builder. Today I'm going to start the tutorial how to use ArcGIS Online Experience Builder app. So you need a web map for this. So I already have a web map which has a boundary layer, and then this one is the location of the universities across Pakistan. So I'm just want to be using this web map to create the web apps for using Experience Builder. So you can do different ways. So I'm just creating the app from the web map, and using the Experience Builder, it will take you to the templates. So let's start with the simple one where we will have a simple blank screen. We can do that, and then it will load the map because we start with the map, so it's easy to stay within the map. So let's see the full extent of this one, and we can adjust the location of the map for the time being. Okay, so now the next question is how to want to be add few widgets. So one of the things which this tutorial is focused on creating a list. So if I go to the data centric section, and there is a list widgets, drop into the section where you want to draw it. You can adjust it later, but let's go to the kind of list you want. I will normally pick the most smartest one, and then scroll down further. We have few other things. We can start with it, and then click the data, and I have that layers, so we will select the location of the universities in this case. And now we have some arrangements, we can have different options, and then we have the gap between those lists, so I don't want to see any gap. We need a continuous, and we have option for scroll, navigator. We will come back for those things in the next one. So next thing is you want to set what you want to show the list. So go into that list, and then you have an option to write down, and then you have the dynamic text. So I want to show the list of the universities. So we're going to pick one of the name. So updated one I will pick, and then I want to show the name of the province. Just put the comma, and then we have the column name, which is getting that one. So now once we're out, and if we want to make the little bit adjusting this one, and then we have the discussions, and save it. And then if you want to view how it looks like when it's actually functional, so here is the list we can see, and there's a scrolling option is there. So it's about over 300, I think, university locations. So we're there, and when you click any one, so they will be taking you to that. Okay, so this is the way we have those locations of the data sets, the locations we have. So you can see the name of the universities are repeated. It's actually they have the campuses, different campuses. So I didn't put the city name where the location is. That's what's repeated. We will fix it in the next step. But first, just want to let you know, if you see it's a kind of error, it's not actually. It's a same look. University has a different campus, so definitely the name will be repeated in that case. So if you want to see the different colors, so usually you want to select that, and then you have the option to click on that. This part is selected first for the university name, so we want to see the color. So we want to pick one color, and then let's go to the dark red one, and then the province we need to be reduce the font size. So let's go to the 10, and then we need to be apply the different text color. So let's go to the green one. Okay, so now select outside, and then again we can save and have a preview of this app, how they look like. So now you can see we can change the color of each and every section or the component in the list, and that's you can do this. So they are linked with each other. So if we click, so you can see the location of the map is selected. Fine, but the map have no action, so we need to do something when we select on the list. So it could be zoom into certain areas. So that's we going to be set the action through the list. So we're going back to the list. So now we need to go to the action sides. So what we need to do is action. We need to set the trigger and record selection changes, and then we need to see the map, and we need to zoom into the map. Okay, and that's we set it, and let's see the save, and we can do the again preview, and that's way we can pick one of the university again and click, and there will be see the zoom in. So now how close you want to go is depending on, because if I go back and into the same, we need to be set the zoom scale custom. The second, we can change 10,000 scale. So when the selection is clear, we want to be returned to the back, and now we need to be save it, and then let's try again. Okay, so now again we take one of the university, click that one, and you will see the zoom, but they will be give us a little bit not that close the way we have before. Okay, and when we clear the selection, it will take back to the extent of the map where we were before. So this is the way we have those settings using the list. There are a number of things we can do with the setting. We can add number of actions. We can add more trigger, more actions over there too. So those kind of things we can see, like those are flash, filter, and those other things we are there. So that's I think is maybe helpful if you want to see how to link the map with the list, and list can be linked. So next time we will see how the list can be linked with another elements on the interactive website. So for example, if we have a chart and then chart linked with the list, and list with a link with the map, so those kind of things we will exploring it in the next video. So my plan is basically to go one by one features showing how the experience builder can be used. So mostly people are using dashboard based on ArcGIS Online, which is much easy, but which is experience builder is a bit complex. So I'm also learning. So I thought it's better to whenever I finish some steps, so I can share with you guys. So stay tuned, and more videos are coming on ArcGIS Online Experience Builder. Thanks for watching.